Windows are more than just functional elements of your home. They're a key part of its aesthetic and structural appeal. For homeowners in Little Rock, installing new windows can be a transformative upgrade that not only enhances your property's curb appeal but also increases its market value. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to improve your home's look and energy efficiency, new windows are a smart investment. Here's how upgrading your windows can make a significant difference for your Little Rock home. Elevating curb appeal. Your home's exterior is the first thing people notice, and outdated or worn windows can detract from its overall appearance. New windows can dramatically improve your home's curb appeal by adding a fresh, polished look. Benefits for Little Rock homes. Modern aesthetics. Choose from a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes to complement your home's architecture, from traditional to contemporary. Customizable features. Add decorative elements like grills or frosted glass to personalize your home's look. Consistent design. Replacing mismatched or older windows with cohesive designs creates a unified, attractive exterior. Well-chosen windows not only enhance the beauty of your home but also make it stand out in the neighborhood. Increasing property value. Installing new windows is one of the most cost-effective ways to increase your home's market value. Modern windows are a desirable feature for potential buyers, making your property more attractive in a competitive market. Why buyers value new windows. Energy efficiency. Buyers prioritize homes with energy-saving features that lower utility bills. Modern functionality. Smooth operation, durability, and updated designs appeal to those seeking a move-in-ready property. Aesthetic appeal. Updated windows give your home a fresh, well-maintained appearance that resonates with buyers. For Little Rock homeowners, this investment can yield a strong return by increasing your home's resale price and marketability. Enhancing energy efficiency. Little Rock's climate, with its hot summers and occasional chilly winters, makes energy efficiency a critical consideration. New windows with advanced insulation features can significantly improve your home's thermal performance. Energy-saving features. Double or triple glazing. Reduces heat transfer, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Low E glass. Reflects heat and UV rays while allowing natural light to enter, reducing cooling costs in the summer. Weatherproof seals. Prevent air leaks, maintaining consistent indoor temperatures and reducing energy waste. By lowering energy consumption, these windows save money and make your home more appealing to eco-conscious buyers. Reducing maintenance costs. Old windows often require frequent repairs and upkeep, such as painting, sealing, or replacing damaged parts. New windows are built with durable, low-maintenance materials designed to withstand Little Rock's climate. Durability. Features. Vinyl or fiberglass frames. Resist warping, cracking, and fading. Impact-resistant glass. Provides protection during storms and reduces the need for repairs. Long-lasting hardware. ensures smooth operation without frequent maintenance. These features save you time and money, adding long-term value to your home. Improving natural light and ventilation. New windows can brighten your home and improve indoor air quality, creating a more enjoyable living environment. Lighting and ventilation benefits. Larger glass areas allow more natural light to enter, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Operable windows provide better airflow, enhancing ventilation and reducing indoor humidity. Clearer views. Modern glass technology ensures sharp, unobstructed views of Little Rock's beautiful landscapes. These improvements make your home more inviting and comfortable, appealing to both residents and potential buyers. Boosting home security. Old windows with outdated locks or fragile glass can pose security risks. New windows come with advanced safety features that protect your home and family. Security enhancements. Multi-point locks provide added strength and deter break-ins. Impact-resistant glass protects against storms and potential intruders. Reinforced frames offer increased durability and stability. These upgrades provide peace of mind for homeowners and add a layer of appeal for buyers prioritizing safety. Customization to match your style. One of the greatest advantages of installing new windows is the ability to customize them to fit your personal taste and your home's unique character. Customization options. Frame materials. Choose from wood, vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass for the look and performance you desire. Color and finish. Select options that enhance your home's exterior and complement its overall style. Glass features. Add decorative or energy-efficient glass options, such as tinted or frosted designs. Custom windows ensure that your home is both functional and visually appealing. Attracting more buyers. For homeowners planning to sell, new windows can set your property apart from others on the market. They signal that your home is modern, energy efficient, and well cared for. Why this matters? Buyers are often willing to pay a premium for homes with updated features. New windows can help your home sell faster by making a strong first impression. Highlighting energy efficiency and low maintenance costs appeals to today's eco-conscious buyers. This competitive edge makes your home a standout choice in Little Rock's real estate market. Final thoughts. Upgrading to new windows is a powerful way to boost your home's value, curb appeal, and functionality in Little Rock. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enjoy the benefits yourself, new windows provide a combination of beauty, energy efficiency, and long-term savings. Partner with a trusted window professional to explore your options and ensure a flawless installation. With new windows, you'll transform your Little Rock home into a more attractive, comfortable, and valuable property.